Application Process Tutorial. Level 1. Registration. Go to applicant.ump.edu.pl and register in our application portal. You will receive an email with your login credentials within 3 days. Check your spam folder if it's not there. Application process is the same for both programs. Level 2. Application form. Log in to fill out the main application form, including personal data survey, education history, online payment of the processing fee. Once everything is ready, submit the application for review. Give us up to 7 working days to review your application. We will notify you by email once your eligibility is verified, inviting you to register for your entrance examination. Log back into our system to pick your exam date and pay the exam fee. Applicants who will require a study visa are encouraged to sign up to earlier exam sessions to allow 2 to 3 months for visa application and processing in case of admission. In order to prepare well for the entrance exam, get acknowledged with the list of science topics on our website and review high school biology, chemistry, and physics. You can also take our practice quizzes, accessible online from our application portal. Level 3. Examination. The entrance exam session includes 2 parts administered over 2 to 3 days. The written science quiz using the university e-learning platform with proctoring software and the interview. Both parts will require a strong internet connection, as well as a computer set up with a camera and microphone. We may also offer a small number of in-person exam session opportunities during each admission season. You will know the admission decision right after your examination. Level 4. Enrollment. Congratulations! You have been accepted to PUMS. The difficult part is over. All you have to do now is complete formalities. Mail hard copies of all required documents. Diplomas should be additionally legalized for use abroad by your government or state authority with apostille or legalization seal. Transfer the first installment of tuition. Complete any outstanding requirements, for example, English language proficiency certificate. Students who require a visa to Poland should apply for it in the nearest Polish consulate by submitting their proof of enrollment along with other documents required by the consulate. After completing the formal requirements for enrollment, you will be asked to log back into the application portal in order to fill out the dormitory application form, or let us know you will not be needing a dorm room. Level 5. Arrival in Poland. Plan to arrive in Poland in early September. Incoming students are welcome to move into the dormitories as early as the last week of August. The orientation week, taking place in mid-September, will be your introduction to your classmates, the city, and the campus, and will provide you with useful information regarding life in Poland. This will also be the best time to handle all necessities, like opening a bank account, buying a Polish cell phone plan, health insurance, etc. In-person classes start in mid-September. See you in Poznan!